Yo guys, what's up? It's me, Need a Job, and we got some product to open. So let's get into this. It's a sneak peek kit. They're $25. There's what the box looks like. There's my die. Here's my promo. Ixalan target non-land permanent for as long as that card remains exiled. Its owner may cast it without paying a mana cost. It's not bad. Well, that's different. So we're gonna go ahead and crack these. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of these and 2 of those. You can definitely tell that I got foil. So there's the first foil. I'll be back. Should have just... He didn't even open it, man. Oh, we don't open until 11. What? We don't open until 11. Well, that's shitty. Oh. Flip land. I think Jamie was here until like 4 o'clock this morning. No, he's just gonna be in a bad mood. Cause nobody sleeps on a magic release. I was like, screw it, I'm going home. I'll open mine tomorrow on camera. No mythics, guys. Wow. You ever feel like sometimes these packs are just shit? So you guys should already know what's in this one. Yeah, got shit. It's over. And there's the mythic, so not so bad. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Comment. I think that was a horrible sneak peek. But I don't know. It's up to y'all. Let me know your comments.